Facts that you didn't know. Ever heard of a liger? It's not a mythical creature, but a real-life hybrid of a male lion and a female tiger. The largest cat in the world, a liger can grow up to 12 feet long and weigh a staggering 900 pounds. That's heavier than a grand piano. Unlike most hybrids, ligers can reproduce. Females, known as ligresses, can give birth to both ligers and tigons, a mix of a male tiger and a female lion. And here's a fun fact. Ligers inherit social behaviors from both parents. They enjoy swimming like tigers and are sociable like lions. So next time you're at a trivia night, impress your friends with these mind-blowing liger facts. Remember, the world of nature is full of surprises.